So this is my everyday carry video, EDC, if you will. Here we go. First thing, my suck-ass phone. It's free from work, so I'll take whatever they give me. It's a LG Lotus something or other. Beat to shit. Usually always have an iPod. It is a I don't know if it'll focus, 120 gig classic. You'll notice there's no headphones because usually I'm just using it in my car. I'm like a janitor. I got a ton of keys. I don't even know what they do. Like these, I don't know what these do. Not really sure what these are for. I know what those are for. Those are my gun keys. In-laws or something. No idea. Car. Keys. Wallet. It's a little. There's no cash in there. A bunch of crap. Crap. It's pretty fucking thick. Next. Seen this in a few videos now. It's my Kershaw OD1. Love this thing. I haven't used it as much as I thought I would be, but I do love it. And then this is a new addition. This is a Leatherman Wave, or that's upside. Is that upside down? What's that upside down? It is the old version that does not have the, it does not have the lock for all of the external tools. There doesn't have the push button. It also doesn't have the detachable pocket clip or lanyard. But, and it comes with this kind of shitty leather case, but sheath, whatever you want to call it. But I got it pretty cheap, so it'll do. You'll notice something missing. There's no gun here because I live in the wonderful state of Illinois, which doesn't allow you to carry a firearm. I also don't have one small enough to carry anyway, but if Illinois allowed it, I probably would. And then something that I used to carry with me at all times, but I've really gotten out of the habit, which I'd like to get back into, is carrying a still camera. This here Olympus Trip 35. It's loaded. We only have I think I've only taken 1 or 2 shots. This little thing's awesome. No battery needed. Wind. Push button. It's the light meter still works great on it. I broke the, I don't know if you can see it. I broke the, there's a little window there so you could see what setting you're on, but I broke it. It's pretty cool. I would either carry that one or grab one off the shelf. This one, Canon A1. This one's also broke, but I didn't do it this time. It does not have the winder, so I have to carry a tool with me everywhere I go, which I don't know. I usually keep that in my pocket. Whatever, it's missing. Anyway. Film cameras though. I don't own a digital camera. I sold it. Film only. One of these days I'll do a video developing a roll of film from start to finish. Maybe even shooting it. I'll shoot it while recording. Then I'll record the development process too. Maybe. We'll see. That's it. Later.